I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to secure your KuCoin account by locking your card, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Open the KuCoin app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to your profile icon and select security settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find card management. In the security settings, look for the card management section where you can manage your linked cards. Step 4. Lock your card. Select the card you wish to lock and click on the lock option. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the card is secured. Note, if you don't see the lock option, make sure your card is not currently in use for any transactions. Step 5. Verify lock status. After locking, check the status of your card in the card management section to ensure it shows as locked. Now that you know how to lock your card on KuCoin, you can feel more secure about your transactions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.